Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is now blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, click on display section and pick brightness level under screen. Then to manage adaptive brightness, tap on this switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!